I'm an English teacher. What do you do? It's time to learn about jobs and occupations, don't you think? I'm a teacher. What do you do? Teacher. University professor. Doctor. Dentist. Nurse. Veterinary. Vet. Scientist. Construction worker. Engineer. Electrician. Bricklayer. Designer. Real estate agent. Miner. Dustman. Refuse collector. Cashier. Journalist. Photographer. Banker.
Hey, you just got money.
Employer. Employee. Funeral director. Dancer. Singer. News anchor. Artist. Police officer. Lawyer. Judge. Astronaut. Firefighter. Barber. Tour guide. Shepherd. Goldsmith. Welder. Janitor. Waiter. Waitress. Taxi driver. Bus driver. Chef. Cook. Pilot. Flight attendant. Farmer. Coach. Athlete. Housewife. Accountant. Actor. Actress. Model. Receptionist. Secretary. Carpenter. Babysitter. Author. Builder. Lecturer. Politician. Traffic warden. Travel agent. Glazier. Chairman. Factory worker. Hairdresser. Fisherman. Hunter. Librarian. Mechanic. Tailor. Florist. Translator. Soldier. Gardener. Shop assistant. Lifeguard. Fashion designer. Blogger. Musician. Reporter. Referee. Director. Comedian. I would love to know where you're from and what you do. Let me know in the comments.